Hi everyone, welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about top 7 most expensive bathrooms in the world. Don't forget subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 1. Gold-plated bathroom. Build cost, $392 million. Location Rutland Gate, London. Attraction, dazzling combination of gold and jewelry. Owner, Saudi prince. It was auctioned as most luxurious bathroom in London in 2015. It has most expensive jewellery-embedded bidets and gold-plated fixtures. Semi-precious stones such as malachite accompanied by precious metals are used in decorating the bathroom. It is defined as the bath of jewelry. The eye-popping surrounding of gold and precious jewelry can soothe the body as well as the soul of a person. Number 2. Grey marble bathroom. Build cost, $188 million. Locations, 924 Bel Air Road, Los Angeles, USA. Attractions, grey marble, spa bath, leather double massage couch, massive walk-in shower etc. 924 Bel Air Road, one of USA's largest expensive areas. Was purchased for $94 million in January. Unbelievably, the mansion has 21 luxurious bathrooms. The grey marble one with a spa bath is the luxurious among all. It has a large walk-in tub which is very comfortable and adds more aristocracy. The main attraction of the bathroom is the leather double massage sofa. This black color sofa is all you need for a relaxation message. Number 3. Boasting solid gold bathtubs. Build cost, $45 million. Locations, Swissborn Gold Palace, Hong Kong, China. Owner, Mike Clark. Attractions, full 24-karat gold made, aquarium walls, jewel-encrusted bidets etc. In 2006, the incredibly wealthy gold billionaire went one step further and built a showroom with 2 tones of the yellow metal, complete with a solid gold bathtub. The bathtub looks like a shiny piece of locket. It has 24-karat glided toilet in it. And moreover it has a golden extruded walls, which sparks like diamonds. Can you guess the price? A whopping $38.5 million. Number 4. Master Ensuite. Build cost, $45 million. Locations, Chester Hall, Oakville, Canada. Owner, Chester Hall. Attractions, gold-plated sinks, spa bath, ornate chandelier. You will get your answer why the bathroom is listed so pricey, and Chester Hall existed in Oakville, Ontario at $45. The Master Ensuite is the trump card here. Like the other rooms in the mansion, it has a spa bath which is really attractive. The chandelier here is adorned with ornate. Would you believe it has a gold-plated sinks? Would you like to brush in the sink? And that is another reason to make it so exclusive. Number 5. Balinese style bathroom. Build cost, $13.5 million. Locations, Hualalai Resort, Hawaii, USA. Owner, Hualalai Resort. Attractions, ultimate tranquil space to relax and unwind. This comfortable bathroom is the prominent venue in Haile Kumana. This is an expansive house in the Balinese style of Hawaii, which was sold at $13.5 million to concierge auctions in 2013. It has an outstanding Zen semi-outdoor space. Most importantly, it is surrounded by lush greenery. These makes it the perfect place to relax and unwind. Number 6. Aquarium Bathroom. Build cost, 10 million US dollars. Locations: Preston Hollow Mansion, Dallas, USA. Owner: Preston Hollow Mansion. Attractions: jacuzzi tub surrounded, colorful tropical fish, aquarium bathroom, etc. Snorkeling with colorful tropical fish in this whirlpool tub must be celestial. A fish lover would really enjoy a place like this. Even diving on the tub can give you the feeling of diving under deep sea with sea creature. The bathroom was decorated and installed in a house in Dallas with a Renaissance style. It was cleared up by a buyer in 2019 for just under $6 million. Number 7. Fancy bathroom. Build cost, 8.5 million US dollars. Locations: French Chateau, Canterbury, Australia. Owner: French Chateau. Attractions: gilded bathroom. The word fancy describes the aristocracy of this bathroom. It is another gilded bathroom in case your eyes aren't too tired from looking at too much gold. This one can be found in Canterbury, Australia, on a French chateau-style property that sold for £6.5 million in 2015.